Welcome back to the 30-Day Success Reboot Challenge, where we're going to teach you what you need to know to be a profitable email-based affiliate marketer. In the day one session yesterday, we went over the basics of what you need to get started with email affiliate marketing and why building an email audience is the best way to influence prospects to buy. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 elements that you need to get in place to start building a responsive email list of future customers. As I said yesterday, your goal is to take website visitors which you generate or buy and convert them into subscribers on your email list. I call this turning strangers into friends. Once they're on your email list, you can add value for them and build a relationship. You want to get them to know, like, and trust you. When they know that they can trust the products you recommend for them, they will buy. Each time you recommend a useful product and they purchase it, you earn a commission. This is turning friends into customers. With a big enough email list, you can have the security of knowing that every time you send an email recommendation, some people will buy. That is reliable online income on demand. It all starts with building your email list because the number of active subscribers you have is the best predictor of how much money you can earn. The amount you can earn per subscriber will depend on the market you're in and the kind of products you sell. It's often quoted that you should make $1 per month for each active subscriber. I have some clients who make less than that and other clients that make much more. If you're creating your own products, rather than just recommending products on commission, then you can definitely increase the amount you make per subscriber. But that's something that affiliate marketers can grow into in the future if they choose. So it all starts with building the biggest active list possible. Think of each new subscriber you add as the key to future earnings. If you were making an average of $1 per subscriber, then every 100 new subscribers is $100 in new monthly income. To build a list, you need 3 things. The first thing you need is a list building offer or lead capture page to send visitors to. The offer needs to be compelling so that your target audience that you want to subscribe to your list is interested in it. It needs to be easy to sign up for and offer a lot of benefits. It should truly be an offer they cannot refuse. And we're going to talk more about that in tomorrow's session. The second thing you need is a way to track the traffic you're sending and the signups you're receiving. The key to building a list quickly and for the least cost necessary is to have good tracking. You need to know where your website traffic's coming from and which sources are generating the most signups. Without good tracking, you have no idea where you should be spending your time and money. You're flying blind and hoping you don't crash into a mountain. That's not how to be successful. The subject of tracking and what to look for is also the subject of a future session in our 30-day challenge. What we're going to focus on today is the third thing you need to build your email list, and that is traffic or website visitors. We're going to turn you into a traffic expert. You can have the most compelling offer on the planet and all your tracking in place so you know where those signups are coming from. But without a good volume of quality traffic, you will not build your list. You need the attention of people who may be interested in your lead capture offer. How can you get traffic to your offer? All traffic to build your list can be divided into 2 types. The first type of traffic is traffic which you buy. Paid advertising is the most scalable way to build your list quickly. You can buy as much traffic as you want. You just have to be willing to invest the money and know how to test and track the traffic to determine if you're earning more than you're spending. Using a lot of paid traffic can be tricky for marketers who are just starting out because you haven't built up the systems and knowledge and hot products which allow you to turn $1 in advertising into more than $1 in profit. However, once you have those dialed in, then paid traffic is the golden ticket to earning a full-time income, if that is your goal. Envision this scenario. If you knew that every dollar you spend on advertising would bring you back $2 in commissions, how much would you spend on advertising? If you spend $100, you make $200 back. If you spend $1,000, you make $2,000 back. If you spend $10,000, then you'd make $20,000 back. Once you have a system that turns traffic into subscribers and subscribers into buyers, then the smart idea would be to spend every dollar you can on traffic. With our example, every time you spend money on ads, you double it. That's how most full-time marketers have achieved their income levels. They spend a lot on advertising each month with the knowledge and the confidence that they will make it all back, plus some. This is also something you need to watch out for when people are making income claims online or showing their commission accounts from ClickBank or JVZoo. They show what they've made thousands of dollars in sales, but they never tell you how much they had to spend on advertising to get those sales. $1,000 a day sounds amazing, but if it costs them $900 in ads to get those sales, then it takes a lot of the shine off their amazing numbers. Watch out. Being able to generate sales is one thing, but being able to generate sales at a profit can be another thing entirely. Email marketing helps you do that. Buying traffic is something you're definitely going to want to get into in the future, but it's not how most people start, especially in the make money online niche. The second type of traffic that you can use to build your list is traffic which you earn. The difference between traffic which you earn and traffic which you buy is how you pay for the traffic. When you buy traffic, you pay for traffic with money. When you earn traffic, you pay for your traffic with time. There's no such thing as truly free traffic. All traffic comes at a cost in either time, money, or usually some of both. Always remember that. There are lots of different ways to earn traffic on the internet without paying for it in cash. Some of them work better than others, and which ones are best will depend on who you're trying to visit your website. If you're trying to build a list of people who are looking to promote their business online and make money online, then you're in luck because we have more ways to earn traffic than any other niche. One way that people trade their time for traffic is blogging. They write articles to post on their website and then put links in those articles to the products they earn commissions from. They also ask their readers to subscribe to their email list. The hope is that people who are searching for information on a topic will find their articles and become a regular reader, which drives repeat traffic to their site and to the things they promote. Creating content takes time and hopefully leads to traffic. Of course, people with websites also spend a lot of time and energy optimizing their sites so that they rank high in the search results in Google. This is called search engine optimization. If they can get their content higher in the search results, then more people will see it and click, which generates more traffic. Another popular way to earn traffic is by finding places where people can post their links on social media or getting followers on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. They want to push people from social media to their websites and offers, which of course is traffic. Managing and building a social media empire can be done with mostly time spent, not money. That's another way to trade time for traffic. Many of you may be familiar with the ad exchange industry, which is a way to earn traffic that's unique to the Make Money Online world. This includes traffic exchanges and safe lists. I operate many sites like these that help members get thousands of visitors per day. With an ad exchange site like a safe list, you look at other members' ads and visit their websites. By doing so, you earn credits on the safe list, which can then be used to send your ads to other members and get them to visit your website. We use a lot of these kinds of sites because they can generate traffic quickly. There are hundreds of sites available, and people that use them regularly belong to many, many sites. The more sites you can send ads from, the more traffic you can get in return. For our 30-day challenge, we'll be using a lot of ad exchange sites because we can generate signups and results quickly. We will go deep into the best ways to use them to maximize traffic and signups. Traffic which you earn by trading your time is a great way to get started because it requires very little cash investment. If you have time but not a lot of money, then traffic which you can earn can get you making some sales before you spend too much of your hard-earned money. However, you should really see it as a bridge to get you to the point where you have a proven offer and can start reinvesting your profits into paid traffic. After all, we only have so much time in each day to spend earning traffic. Getting high volumes of traffic can take a lot of time investment on your part, and you will eventually hit the point where you run out of hours in the week and you cannot earn more traffic. Then you need to buy traffic to keep growing. With what we've shared here today, you have the foundation of knowledge that it takes to start building your email list. You know that to build your list, you need 3 things. You need a lead capture page with a compelling offer that will make people want to give you their email address to get the offer. You need tracking so you can accurately identify where each visitor is coming from and whether they sign up. You also need lots of high-quality traffic to your lead capture page. The more quality visitors that come to your lead capture page, the more subscribers you will get. You also know that there are 2 primary types of traffic you will use to build your list. The first is traffic which you buy. Paid traffic is great for scaling an offer because you can buy as much traffic as you can afford. However, you need to learn how to do it profitably, which can take some training, testing, and experience. The second type of traffic for building your list is traffic which you earn. You earn traffic by trading your time for traffic. Sites like Safe Lists and using free social media are examples of earned traffic. Earned traffic is great if you have free time to devote to building your business. You can get traffic with little or no investment of money. Once you have a few dollars coming in, then you can use that to upgrade accounts to earn traffic more efficiently and eventually get into paid traffic. So, congratulations. You now know more about traffic and offers than most beginning online marketers. Tomorrow, I'll show you how to pick a compelling offer that gets those visitors to join your list. A high-converting offer is the best way to use that hard-earned traffic. You want to get the most signups possible for every 1,000 visitors you send. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of the Success Reboot Challenge.